Hello, potato.
Hello.
Okay, can you hear teacher?
Yeah.
All right. How are you today? Okay, you're good. Okay. So here we go. Today is Thursday. That's why we have class today. Now here, let me share to you the screen. All right, there you go. Can you see teacher's screen, potato? All right. What unit and lesson are we now? Unit.
11.
Okay, what is Unit 11 all about? And things we eat and drink. Very good. So here we will be talking about different foods and drinks in today's lesson. So there you go, potato. What's the first word we have in here? We have meatball. Correct. This one, what's the second word we have? Pie, correct. And the third one we have milkshake. All right. So we have meatball, pie, milkshake. And next potato we have rice. Correct. This one, what is this? Sausage. Do you eat sausage? You eat sausage, potato, or no? Yes. Okay. And next word, what is this? We have pancake, correct. So we have rice, sausage, and pancake. Next, what's the next one? What is this? Mango. Mango is a fruit. And next, what's this? Bean. And last, we have, what's the last word we have? Lemonade. Do you drink lemonade? It's from lemon juice. Okay, good. It's a refreshment. Okay. And next, what's this? We have noodle. Next, we have soup. And last, we have sweet. Okay, look at the sweets. What kind of sweets can you see in the picture? What's that? Is it a cake? What is it, potato? In the sweet? That is a hello.
That is a candy.
Very good. That is a candy. Great job. Next, what is this? It's a fruit. This is a pineapple. This one. What's that? It's a lime. And lastly, we have sauce. Okay, now here, mind what you're eating. Now here, please read potato. You're eating. Come on, read properly. A very.
You already eat a very big apple.
Next.
You are eating an ice cream.
Next.
You are drinking a cup of hot coffee.
Next.
You are drinking a milk from a coconut.
Very good. So here. Now here, potato, I have here different foods and drinks inside this one. what you are going to do is you're going to tell me which of does this fruit and food and drinks belong. So we have here, I'll put letters. Letter A is fruit. You tell me if the food mentioned is a fruit. This one, letter B, is for meat. Okay? Letter C, you tell me if the food is a vegetable. You tell me letter C. If it's a drink, you write or you tell me it's letter D. But if it's not found among this A, B, C, and D, you will tell me it's letter E kind of food. Do you understand, potato? For example, coconut. What is a coconut? What kind of food is coconut? Coconut is a fruit. That's why it's in letter A. Okay, next, potato. How about lime? Lime. A, B, C, D, or E? Where is lime? Where should we put lime?
E.
E? Indifferent? Look at here, potato. Lime is a letter A, fruit. Next, burger. Oh, here. Lime, burger. How about burger? Where should we put the word burger? Letter? Can you tell me, is it a fruit, a meat, a vegetable, drinks, or none of the above? Where do we put the burger potato? Burger is again letter. What letter? Burger is letter. Uy. Okay, let's check. Burger belongs to letter B, meat. Okay, because there is a meat inside the burger. Next, potato. How about coffee? What letter is coffee? Drink. Correct. Next, how about beans? Beans. How about beans? Oh, beans is a vegetable. Okay, next, potato. How about sauce? Where should we put the sauce? Is it a fruit, a meat, a vegetable, a drink, or none of the above? It's
E.
letter E. Very good, sauce. Next, how about lemonade? How about lemonade potato? How about lemonade? Ah, okay, lemonade. Where should we put the lemonade? Lemonade is a, what is it? Lemonade is it a fruit, a meat, vegetable, drinks, or none of the above?
I.
It's a drink. Very good. Next, potato. How about carrot? How about a carrot?
Vegetable.
Vegetable, correct. Next, how about mango? Mango. Mango is a,
I.
again, mango is,
I.
okay, it's a fruit, correct. Next, how about pancake? How about pancake? How about pancake? Is it a fruit, meat, vegetable, drinks, or none of the
E.
above? Huh? Pancake is a letter?
E.
Oh,
E.
letter E. Very good because it's not a fruit. It's not a vegetable. Okay, next. How about apple? Very easy. Apple is a, what is an apple? Okay, a fruit. Next, how about sausage? How about sausage? Sausage is
Red.
letter
G.
letter B. Sausage is a meat. How about a tea? What is a tea? A tea is drink. Correct. How about egg? Potato? Egg. Egg is letter
E.
very good. Letter E. Next, potato. How about milk? Milk. Milk is
Grape.
all right. Great job. It's letter D. How about cheese? Cheese.
Vegetable.
Vegetable is cheese? Are you sure?
No.
Okay,
E.
where? Letter E. Very good. Next, how about the pear? A pear.
I.
Oh, very good. It's a fruit. Next, potato. How about chocolate? Chocolate. Where is chocolate? Letter.
Letter. Chocolate.
Where's chocolate? What letter? Huh?
E.
Letter again?
E.
Letter E. Very good. How about ice cream? Ice cream. Where should we put ice cream? Ice cream is letter.
E.
Okay. Good. Next, fish. Where should we put fish?
Meat.
Oh, it's letter E. Next, water. How about water?
Grape.
Oh, correct. How about onion? Onion. Onion is
Onion is
letter.
E.
It's letter C. It's a vegetable. How about lemon?
Lemon.
Yeah, lemon is letter.
Little. Lemon and little ice.
Okay, it's a fruit. Very good. How about rice?
Rice.
Rice is letter.
E. E.
Correct. Letter E. Next, how about milkshake? A milkshake.
D.
D. Next, how about watermelon? Watermelon.
I.
Correct. It's a fruit. How about noodles? Where should we put not noodles?
E.
Very good. How about a banana? Banana.
I.
Correct. Next, how about a pie? Pie.
E.
Okay. And how about meatballs? Meatballs.
D. D.
Very good. It's a meat. How about last word? Kiwi. Where should we put
I.
kiwi? Letter.
I.
Oh, perfect. Very good, potato. So as you can see here, we have different kinds of food and drinks, and you were able to identify where do all of these fruits and vegetables and other food belong? Okay, great job. Now here, potato, look at this one. I have different kinds of food and drinks. You're going to tell me which one is different and why. For example, look at this first set of food and drinks. What's this, potato? The first picture. This is a soup. How about the second picture? What do you think is this? It has yellow color. What do you think is that? Huh?
Lemonade.
Okay, it's a juice. Next, potato. Second one, the third
Auto.
one, water. And the last one is, what's this?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Now look at here. Soup, juice, water, ice cream. You're going to tell me which one is different. So look at here, potato. You will say soup is different because soup is hot. Okay? While orange juice, lemonade, and ice cream aren't hot. They are cold. Okay? They are cold. So you tell me why it's different. Okay, potato, let's do the second set of food. What's the second set? What are these kinds of food? What's the first one? What is this? This is a potato. What's this? Ah, okay. You tell me first, what are the foods given in the set? What's the first one? What is this? This is a, what kind of fruit is this? This is a, what kind of fruit?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Second one. What's the second? What's this one? It's
Lemonade.
lime. Okay, next. What's this? The third one. This is a
Burger.
burger. Correct. And how about the fourth one? What's the fourth one? What is this? This is a
There is
mango. Okay, which one is different, potato? The different is the
burger.
burger. Why burger is different? Why burger is different? Because why burger is different? Yeah, you're correct that burger is different. But can
Ready,
you tell?
ready.
Because it is a It's a, it's a meat. While watermelon, lime, and mango, they are fruits. Okay? So burger is different because burger is a meat, while watermelon, lime, and mango, they are all fruits. Okay? Okay, next potato. How about this one? What is this? This is what's this potato? It's what's this? Carrot. This one. What is that? It's beans. This one. Grape. And this one. What is this? That's a
Pizza.
peas. Again, peas.
E.
Okay, so we have carrot, beans, grapes, and peas. Which one potato do you think is different? Which one is different? It's a grapes. Okay, can you tell me why grapes is different? Grapes is
The
different because
grape is fruit.
fruit. Very good. How about carrots, beans, and peas? What are they? What are they? They are
Meat.
meat. Are they meat? Veg meat or vegetable? What are they?
Vegetable.
Vegetable. Okay, next.
Vegetable.
Okay, very good. Correct potato. I'll put check. Okay, potato. How about this? What is this? This is the last one potato. What is this? This is what's this?
Egg. I don't know. Egg.
Egg. Correct. This one. What's this? Egg. Next, what's this?
Egg.
What's this?
Tea.
Tea. How about this one? What's this? What's the
Onion.
onion? And how about that one? What is
What?
a pasta? This one. What is this?
Pasta.
Okay, which one is different potato? Which one is different? The egg, the tea, the onion, or the pasta? The different is, which one is different? It's the tea. Okay, very good. Why tea is different?
The tea is gray.
Very good. And
Egg, onion, pasta is it.
mm, they aren't um drinks. Well, tea is a drink. Very good. Potato, before we move the next one, you enter again, potato. My Zoom is about to close. Okay, enter again.